Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, February 22nd, and I'm looking for an opportunity using the Trade Scalper to enter long or short the E-mini S&P market. So this happens to be the E-mini S&P, and we've had some pretty good results so far this morning. Just be careful if the market's volatile. You have to be a little bit more on the cautious side, use your stops and so on. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So on the E-mini S&P so far, we've had a few signals, even starting pre-market. We've had 1, 2, 3 short signals, 2 long signals, and then here we have 2 back-to-back short signals. So this is the E-mini S&P, but I've gotten a lot of questions about the NASDAQ. So let me switch gears here and show you the NASDAQ, whether you're trading the micro NASDAQ or the regular NASDAQ. Here is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's a very similar market. You have to be careful here when looking at the ATR, make sure it's not overly volatile. And we also have the most recent signal, a short signal here on the NASDAQ. So 3 long signals right after the market open, then 1 short signal here. Now lastly, we also have the crude oil, which happens to be something that everybody's talking about. Gas prices are high, so oil happens to be a big player right now. And now we have the crude oil chart using the Trade Scalper. So let me switch back to see if we have any opportunities. For example, the E-mini S&P is my go-to market, and the E-mini S&P is indicating that we have a short that has just occurred at 43.30 quarter a few minutes ago. So here is how we would trade this specific order. We would look for this signal to appear, 43.30 quarter. We would then try to enter as close as possible to this entry, 43.30 quarter, which in fact, after the market went down, it came back to 43.30 quarter. So plenty of opportunity to get in on this trade, and the way it's starting to move. Just like here, 44.44.50, I'm sorry, 43.44.50, 43.42.50. So these are all signals that are actually pretty good, going in our favor, and try not to chase the market. So that's a big deal, not to jump in after the fact. We want to try to get within 1 tick of this. And if it runs away from you, not to worry, we have a lot of signals. There's no reason for us to chase the market in any type of trading that you're doing, whether it's using the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line or any other methods that you're using. Let's take a look at the blueprint. The blueprint is another software included with mentorship, and I'm going to remove the Trade Scalper and I'm going to add the blueprint software. The blueprint software is new. It's a method that we teach. And here we have also another short signal here on the blueprint, 43.25.50. So this is a very good opportunity to go short, even if you can't, as you can see, at a better price. So let me show you, while I have this opportunity here, to go short. I'm just going to do 1 here at limit to go short. And now I'm short the market on the blueprint strategy. Now if you look at the ATR, it's about 4 points. That means, and let me just show you what that would look like as far as a ruler or a distance. If I wanted 4 points from where I entered, right over here, this would be my goal. My goal would be to see the market go to exactly 43.22.50. That is my goal. Now, if the market goes against me and it doesn't go in my favor, I'm out of the trade. There's a stop. I also like to have what's called a time-based stop, where you limit the amount of time that you're actually in a trade. So going for 4 points, I think, is reasonable under the current conditions. That's the movement the market is making. And if within the next 4 candles the market does not go in my favor, I'm out of the trade. Okay, so here in this case the market just kept on going. I'm going to get out of this trade here. And there it is. So let me show you a quick where the entry was and where the exit was. So remember, I entered at the price based on the blueprint. I wanted 4 points based on the ATR. Actually, it should have been a little bit less, maybe 3 3/4 to be conservative. And then the market went straight down, and you're done. You're out of the trade. I don't have to deal with any of this or holding on to it, or if it comes back, you're in, you're out, and you're finished. And this works the same way with the Trade Scalper. This happens to be a blueprint signal, and you can see if I add back the Trade Scalper so it doesn't put too many things here on the chart, so it doesn't confuse us. Let me just add back the Trade Scalper software. You can see that both signals were aligning and going in the same direction. This is the short on the Trade Scalper, followed up by a short on the blueprint. And so this trade I did not enter. This one I did. There's the entry and there's the exit. And then I'm done. Whether you want to continue trading or not, I always say trade less but trade more accurately. You don't have to continue trading and trading and trading all throughout the day. But here are 2 great examples using the Trade Scalper and the blueprint. If you have any questions, if you'd like to join the new accelerated mentorship program, visit DayTradeToWin.com, get all the details and information, and I will see you at the next class. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.